Welcome to the personal property tour for 114A Bonnygate in Cupar. This is a fantastic 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, detached property, town centre living. Literally you're just off the Bonnygate. You've got off-street parking up a private driveway and you've got a front garden as well. This is a beautiful home, finished to a really great standard. I'm just going to flip the camera and take you on the tour and let you see the location as well. So as you can see, we're on the Bonnygate, so literally this is the archway at Tunaku. So you come up here and this is into your private parking and also your front garden area. And the property is here, so it's fantastic inside. Wait till you see this one. So you've got great decks area to the front. The sun is just beating down here, so it's lovely. You've got a storage area just down the side here. Down the other side of the property as well, there is also room for your bin storage and, as I say, your front garden area. So you can guess as well where we are because you can see the church steeples. The property, as I say, is to the front and it is lovely. It's a great house. So let's take you on the tour. So we'll go into the front of the property and into what is a spacious hallway. So as you come into the hallway, you can see the room that you have in here straight away. And the bright light as well, because there's a lovely big window by the door. So you have a storage cupboard here, which is fabulous, airy and bright. There's a Velux window in the stairwell as well, so you can see how lovely and bright that is. It really is a lovely space. So we'll go upstairs. And on this level we have 2 double bedrooms. So the first of the double straight ahead, and you can see this is a great space. Lots of room here. Lovely and bright. You can see it's a good sized double in there, plenty of space for additional storage, and you've got this lovely double wardrobe and more storage space here. And then the view over the front garden, and again up the private driveway, and you can see the church steeple, so it gives you a feel for exactly where on the Bonnygate that it is. But it's a lovely, bright, spacious bedroom. Then from here, straight across the hallway, we go into bedroom number 2. Again, a beautiful, bright, big double. There's lots of space in here again. You have double wardrobe to the side. Again, lovely and bright. Lots of storage space. And you've got good views again from the front. Over the church. So really handy. It's a great sized room. And then from here, off of the hallway again, we go into the bathroom. So the bathroom's just off the hallway. I love the tiles. So really spacious room actually. You've got your wash hand basin, your WC, and also your bath with your thermostatic shower above. But it's a lovely big window, so it's nice and bright, as you can tell. It's a great space. So it takes us back out into the hallway, and as you can see, the Velux window I mentioned earlier, so that's letting in lots of natural light. There's a big window at the bottom of the stairs as well, so again it's making it feel really bright. And the beauty of this one, off the hallway as well, in the entrance hallway that is, you also have a shower room. So this is a great space. Followed the theme through actually in regards to the layout. So you've got this beautiful flooring again. You've got your wash hand basin, your WC, lots of room for storage, and a nice shower enclosure as well, with electric shower in this one. But again, spacious room. So it's great to have the 2 washrooms. Lovely size. Then off the hallway, we go straight into what is the kitchen. So this is dining kitchen. You do have room for dining furniture straight ahead there, but it's a lovely space, lovely and bright. Again, you've got this beautiful big double window to the front, letting in lots of natural light. So you can see there's lots of storage here. You've got your integrated appliances, so you have your oven, hob and extractor fan, and you also have integrated fridge and freezer to the far side. And it overlooks the garden too. So again, lovely and peaceful. They do have additional storage, as you can see. So it really is a nice sized room. And as I said, you can easily put a breakfast in or a dining table here, but actually when you see the size of the lounge, you'll see that's not necessarily a requirement, because this is a huge lounge dining area. It's got 3 big windows in here, so it's beautifully bright. So plenty of space for a dining table. That's a 6-seater table. And as you can see, lots of space for your lounge furniture. Such a great room. Nice and bright. Come over to this angle, give you a flavour for it from the side. So you can see it kind of recesses into here as well to give you extra space. It's quite a long room, this one. So I'll go down to the other end, give you an idea of the size of the space. So your lounge living area, lots of room, and your dining area to the top. It's a great social space. So this is the personal property tour for 114A Bonnygate in Cupar. It's in a fantastic location. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom detached property. You've got off-street parking, private driveway and garden to the front. You also have nothing to do here. It's finished to a really high standard, so it's move-in condition in a prime location. You're literally in the town centre. So you walk down the driveway, you come out on the Bonnygate where 2&Co is, and literally you're next to the train station. It's about a 5-10 minute walk. So great for taking you to Edinburgh, Dundee and beyond. All the local amenities, you've got the local schools, the parks, so much on offer here. So you've got this little kind of private oasis, but in town centre. It's fantastic. If this one is of interest to you, this one will be coming to market with ourselves. It offers over 175,000. You can message me here directly. Our offices are just off the Bonnygate. You can pop in and speak to the team. Or likewise, you can call the team on 01334 654 221. And I'm Perry, and it's 5 Properties TV. Take care. Bye-bye.